Dear students and friends, now we are interacting in the YouTube to discuss about the notification released on September by the finance department. So this here now we are discussing mainly notification issued about TCS under section 206 of the Income Tax Act. So here that notification is relating to Income Tax Act issued by the CBDT. So here the main concept, they had introduced the TCS on sale of goods. The TCS on sale of goods. TCS means tax collected at source. So now the person who is selling the goods should collect TCS in the sales invoice along with GST. Sir, for whom this section is applicable? There are two conditions for applicable this section. The first condition is your last year turnover should be above 10 crores. Your last year turnover should be above 10 crores. So for above 10 crores companies only this section will applicable. That to last year turnover you have to see. Next, second thing, you should receive the more than 50 lakhs from sale of goods from that party. You should receive the more than 50 lakhs from that party in this financial year. Then only this section will applicable. So your turnover, last year turnover should be more than 10 crores. In the current year also you are receiving more than 50 lakhs amount from that party, then this section is applicable. Sir, what is the TCS rate have to charge? So normally in the notification they had given TCS rate is 0.1%. So because of this COVID, the TCS rate is reduced to 0.075% up to 31st March 2021. Sir, for whom, how to deal with this section practically? For example, if you are selling the goods to one party more than 50 lakhs and you are receiving the amount more than 50 lakhs, then only this section is applicable. And most important one is this section is applicable only for the sale of goods. It will not applicable for sale of services. And you should pay the TCS based on receipt basis, not on goods basis, not on sale of goods, not at the time of sale of goods. You should pay the TCS to the government at the time of receipt of that sales. More than 50 lakhs from one party, for one PAN number it is 50 lakhs. Okay, sir. How to raise the sales invoice? For example, in this context, how the sales invoice will be raised? How the sales invoice will changed? For example, if you take one example, sales invoice example, simple understanding. Basic value, for example, 80 lakhs. Basic value 80 lakhs. Add SGST 9%, 7,20,000. Add CGST 9%, 7,20,000. So total comes to 80 lakhs, 87 lakhs, 94 lakh 40,000. On this you have to add TCS 0.075%. So total invoice value will comes. That means here you have to remember TCS will be charged on inclusive of GST. This is the major change our old students has to remember. So this syllabus will not, this topic are not covered in regular classes. These topics will be, extra topics will be, anything is there I will cover in YouTube channel. That's how we started the YouTube channel for our old students to be updated on syllabus. So who are selling the goods should be very careful that TCS will applicable. But here almost all small business, small seller of the goods will not be covered under TCS provision. Small seller of the goods means last year turnover should be below 10 crores and this year should not sell more than 50 lakhs goods to one party. Then you are escape about TCS provisions. So thank you.